we have to write the query. And if you want to display in a more better way in the presentation, pretty, you can add this pretty for more better presentation. So for presenting the content in a better way, let's see here how we can handle that. I will open the terminal, program files. From graphical mode, you don't need any commands. In graphical mode, a find option is there. In that find option, you can select. I will show you that also. MongoDB, CD server, CD 5.0, and CD bin, and Mongo. You got this connection failed, then you have to make sure that server is working or not. I showed you. Open services.msc on your computer. Directly you can open services.msc. In that, you have to check the MongoDB services. Here in the list, you will find the MongoDB service. Let's go to the MongoDB service. Yeah, so in this MongoDB service, you see MongoDB server is not running. Its status is not running. Status is not running. So let's right click and start. So it will start the MongoDB server. Accidentally, sometimes it turns off. Yeah. So now once it is done. Yeah. Now once it is done. Now we will check whether it is working or not. Right. So let's close this and run Mongo. Okay. Then it starts. Now you are connected. Now here show DBS. These are the commands, databases. So now here change to the database. Now we will use shopping DB, that is changing into database. After that, what are the tables present inside it? To check that, show collections. So these are the tables we have: users table, categories table, products table. And to display db.tblproducts.find. So and the dot pretty. So it will TBL products P uppercase, capitalization matters here. Okay. Now it is showing, displaying all the records. But so many are there. So many are there. So all records, 20 records will come. How many are there? It will display all of them. Now, if I want to filter such the records, we need to write the queries actually. Generally in SQL based, we write the query, select star from table and where, suppose ID is equal to some ID. That's how generally we read the document. So that's how we read the document. Now I want access based on, can do is, so we can define this equals, how you write the equal. Generally, if I have to write equal operation, then here we have to define the field name, colon, and value. That is equal. So it may be string, it may be number or anything, you have to define in this way. That means you have to write like this: db.tblproducts.find. Inside that, so we are using ID colon, so some 10, that is the ID, and a dot pretty. because it is a number, just directly number, and it will get the 10th record. So it will access that and display. So I want the category electronics. You see here, db.tblproducts.find, and inside this, so category is the field and electronics is a string type value that is equal. Now dot pretty, and it is going to display only the products that belong to electronics. It is going to display only the products that belong to electronics. That means you see only these two came. So only electronic products. One is the 9 product, that is electronics, and another one is the 10 product electronics. Only and 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are electronic products. It will display. You can search, you can display only those that you need based on any specific field. Now that is equal. Suppose you want, you can use multiple conditions also. We can configure multiple conditions also. So technically, multiple conditions defining the conditions is nothing but how to group them. I will tell you other conditions like greater than, less than, and all. Actually, so when you are defining the field name, and here you cannot write greater than, less than, like commands, not possible. Then if I want to search based on again some values greater than, less than, and all, then so here we have to define another expression. In this expression you have to write $GT. So GT, so how much value,